All them boys in there. Ooh, that boy Swipe.
That
Uncle Swipe.
Uncle.
Uncle Swipe. Why?
We're supposed to do a big, but you know it's cold as fuck outside.
Cold as
Nigga, no
polar bear
jacket.
pussy.
You saw my bit me.
And sometimes, bro, I don't think COVID's still real, bro. Cause I ain't nowhere, but I ain't fucking curious, bro. If you think about it, bro.
What?
Like, bro.
Nigga, that shit real, bro.
You said what?
Still though, bro. Like, bro.
How do you think it's not real?
The Simpsons like come up with that shit like 10 years ago type shit. And it happened now.
That ass.
I'll be in the room thinking, nigga. Stand at the stars, nigga. Thinking.
Conspiracy theory, Quint. Cool at me.
I'm for real though, bro. Like that shit weird though, bro. Like the Simpsons basically predicted.
They predicted a lot of bullshit though.
That shit actually happened though, bro.
Yeah.
Like the government told us that's probably real. Shit.
What it like? I remember the first one I seen was old dude turning gay.
Cool.
Kris Jenner.
The Simpsons predicted that?
Yeah. That shit
Yeah.
weird though, bro.
Oh, they
No,
already was
yeah.
You could do the tub.
And the fucking writer probably got it in with that nigga. They probably knew that nigga was good.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Hey yo. He's getting busy. Ooh.
Nas X.
That nigga got some titties. now.
You dead as fuck.
No, that nigga has some titties, bro.
Oh God, like he got titties now.
Stand at the
I wouldn't stare
Yes,
at
that
them
nigga
bitches.
had titties, bro.
He got some milk titties on his body.
Them niggas was.
Nigga
That nigga had double D's. That
Wow.
nigga had double D's.
Oh, bro.
Nigga had some watermelons on his shit. No cap.
I wasn't staring at them bitches. I seen him on TikTok too. He was like, I don't know, he puts a little video.
Of course, in the print when they see them hoes. You was listening to
Nah.
Nigga, what's wrong with you? You a grown ass man.
Nigga want to see them hoes, don't you, nigga? Nigga finna jack one real quick. No shaving.
I need some
Stupid.
stupid.
Yeah, nigga. Bro, it's cold as fuck, bro.
No, I did, nigga. My balls shriveled up to my goddamn ass.
What the fuck?
What the hell was that?
Nigga, I don't know, you tell me.
The hoes
Exactly.
watch the video, nigga.
Yeah.
Sad. That's what the hoes are. The hoes at home, probably in their bed, watching TikToks.
Is that RJ?
Nigga, that nigga need to be at the catch.
No bullshit. RJ, if
Then
you
they
see
got
this
no
shit, your
days
ass
off.
better be at work, nigga.
Nigga was in that bitch dancing and shit yesterday.
Bro.
I seen that shit, bro.
Tell me. Never mind.
What?
This man said
This
was
nigga
singing.
said, bro.
Oh, the nigga said had me dying.
What I do?
What you gonna say?
He said K on the fuck.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna say the same thing, bro. Bro, no,
Man, I'm telling you, that
bro,
bitch want some
Pete.
dick, bro.
She wanna fuck, bro.
No, yeah, she do, but look.
That bitch want some dick, dude.
Me and him was supposed to go with, cause it was finna be Kay and Jordy. We was finna go to your spot that same. We was finna go to your spot that same day that thing happened.
What?
When they took your shit. We was finna go to your crib that same night. And then Kay was like, Kay never hit him back, bro. This nigga said it, bro. The nigga said it on the drip.
I had drip on. I had sweats on.
Nigga had on the sweat drip. Nigga had the hat on.
I just had
Nigga was ready, nigga, no cap. Nigga, I had like a tank. I had some bum shit on.
trying to show out from.
Oh, my mama, that nigga was finna
No,
get that
bro.
dick sucked.
Nigga.
Nigga finna get his dick sucked.
Bro, I had sweats on and my polo jacket.
Nigga, and you had
fitted.
your hat on. You had
My
your hat
fitted.
on. Nigga,
So
was
the
in
fitted was
cat,
too
nigga
much.
had the chain on.
The fit was too
Nigga,
much.
you
I already
was-
had my chain on though.
Nigga, you was ready, nigga.
I already had my chain on.
Nigga,
I always have my
nigga,
chain
you
on.
was ready, bro. Straight, bro.
I mean, yeah, I was trying to get my dick sucked.
Yeah,
nigga.
you should get
The
your-
fuck?
You ain't gonna get none.
You gonna get your dick sucked.
You think I was gonna let that happen in my shit?
Hell yeah, nigga. That's her shit. Why you playing, fuck,
I
nigga?
would have fucked too, nigga.
Shit, I'm good for it.
Check it,
She already do it to me.
Bro.
I ain't do nothing with it.
And bro, have you seen her Instagram page?
That shit about cringe as fuck.
She showed us her Instagram the other day, nigga. That shit had me dying, nigga. I ain't gonna laugh at her face though, but she had some cringe ass picture on her Facebook picture having that.
No. Stupid ass hoe.
Look at that.
Now get out my female there.
Nigga, stop it, nigga. I ain't worried about her.
Oh, bro.
That's y'all.
She cool.
I ain't worried about that hoe either.
Watch him out. He bad.
She alright looking.
I want that other white bitch up in there.
Oh yeah, he was.
What's her name? I don't even know that bitch name. I just want fuck.
On the foot too.
But you might as well just go to the drive-thru, bro.
Oh, there is a drive-through.
Oh hell yeah.
I know you see that van go through there, bro. You pull
About
in.
time, quit using the noggin.
What the fuck? Go, bitch. Corvette.
Nigga, I'll pull back now. You ain't gonna
Like,
see me.
damn, nigga. Go the other way, bro.
Bow. I'm right the building, nigga. Cause you supposed to. I'm going to face outwards.
Bro, let's go up in that motherfucker and shoot a video, a
Taekwondo video. On some Cobra Kai. Cobra.
Cobra.
God,
Cobra Kai.
Cobra Kai looking at. We were watching that yesterday.
I mean,
That whole lame.
Your fucking
You said that whole line.
Yeah, okay, lame.
Watch him out.
Cobra
I'm
Kai.
talking about the
Saying that shit
movie.
every day.
God damn.
Top donuts.
See some donuts. I do want some donuts now.
Going, bro.
This the right way,
Oh,
nigga.
it's not,
Yes,
bro.
it is.
Nigga, he gotta go to the bag. Goof ass boy.
I'm going through the trap, nigga.
We was up in the trap. Where that pole at?
Damn, I ain't seen that.
Out here locking
What
short.
little ass kid playing back there?
I know there's a daycare back here, nigga.
That's not a daycare. That's goddamn child
Stupid ass.
abduction site.
This nigga said child.
Hey, remember that shit? Used
Oh,
to
this
be,
is the wrong way.
Oh God.
Remember, what was that shit called right here?
Zoomerang?
Zoomerang. That shit was live as fuck.
Zoomerang. It was something else too.
That little family shit.
No, it was basically the same thing. They just kept renaming it.
Oh no, it was Razoo's first or
Yeah.
some shit like that. Then it was Zoomerang. Then it was a little family shit.
Like, let me get your money then. Eh? Ain't you
I ain't
paying?
no money.
Who paying?
Yeah, I'm paying.
I was gonna say, I ain't saying.
Cause you know we get money over here, shorty. Yeah.
Thanks, baby.
I'm gonna get no
Nobody
butt
in
for
this bitch get no
real.
hoes.
Nigga, I'm loyal, nigga. Yeah.
I get no hoes.
Butt plug looking at nigga.
I'm
I
gonna
get
get no
no
hoes.
hoes.
Hell no, you know for a fact that's not.
I don't got no
So
hoes.
you be. I don't know.
Said,
You be
bro,
trying too hard.
Said RJ got all the hoes, bro.
Where the fuck we finna go?
That's cap. Shit, we could be posted right here or some shit.
Nigga, hell no. What the fuck is
Tell
that?
me one hoe.
A portable?
Appreciate it.
I get my own slice, nigga. Fuck wrong with you, nigga.
Shut your punk ass
Thanks,
up,
bro.
boy. No problem.
Thanks, Pops. Look, man.
I knew you were gonna say that shit.
How'd you guess? Look, man.
Cause you're a fucking faggot.
Shut up, bitch.
You shut up, nigga.
I'm not a faggot. I get the most push out in the whole fucking car.
Boom.
Come on, man. Y'all combined. Look around.
You ain't even got a cap like that on the cam.
I'm good.
My nigga said it's the next nigga
I'm
to get
good.
some, bro.
You can say combined.
I've been getting no business. I don't even talk to nobody.
Oh God.
You lying.
I don't.
You lying, bro.
My phone still on do not disturb for a reason.
You don't get no hoes, nigga.
Yeah. You know, but.
I'm agreeing with y'all, bro.
This nigga said, bro.
That
Butt,
butt.
butt.
That butt. What you know about that butt?
What you know about that, but?
Shut your punk ass up, man. We should have went to Marco's. Marco's pizza. Yo, smacking eyes.
Damn, nigga. What my zipper what? No, I'm gonna say.
Don't even steal my shit. Don't even steal my shit.
Once I got active garbage on it today, don't it, nigga?
I need to fucking copyright that shit.
Your shit what?
Cause one day I would work, I was like, my shit must have extra barbecue sauce on my shit. I said with my dick. And that nigga stay with my dick at work. Like, nigga, you do not want to go home that fucking bad.
Yes, I do, nigga.
God damn.
Nigga said you be trying to spend the night and shit. Like it's a lock-in or some shit.
Open that hoe back up for me, please.
Like, what you gonna do? A 24-hour challenge at the catch? That's all, nigga. Like, what the fuck?
You can get that shit for me.
Damn, nigga.
Who's that fast guy?
This whole ad name.
That's the one to me.
Bro, that shit was so live.
What? Did you ever even get that book?
Nope.
Did you get your money back?
Nope.
Rob your ass.
I just got paid that next day, so I ain't care.
Oh, he was a big baller. Like, where the fuck we finna go?
I just want something to eat.
Y'all niggas trying to get in the back seat? Whoa. Bro, I ain't mean to say that, bro.
Do not cut that shit out, bro.
Guess who edited it? Me, nigga, the fuck.
Guess whose phone is on? Me, nigga, the fuck.
But who edited it? It don't matter who phone it on. Who edited it?
Just out tomorrow.
I could easily just screen record that part and then post it and expose it.
Nigga, I ain't saving them, yo. Nigga, I have a whole picture of you with your ass out, nigga. Come on now.
No, you don't.
You don't want to start that war.
You ain't got nothing.
Just out tomorrow, bro.
Touch the mall for what?
Something to do, nigga.
I want to smoke.
You don't want to smoke, nigga.
Who don't want to smoke?
You go to the mall. You gonna do walk around? Y'all got masks?
Yeah.
We should.
We just got
yeah,
from
we came back from school.
Hey, don't give me that smart mouth. nigga.
Stay point, don't got no
reach
type
out.
of shoes on, bro.
I ain't tripping. Am I going to go? Give me the
Hopefully, you have to go back to now.
Well,
He said, hopefully he can go back
Nigga.
and go.
Damn.